One of the most exciting opportunities that comes through Buy with Prime is leveraging Buy with Prime during the holiday season and during some of the key Amazon.com sales events that happen throughout the year, because it allows you to get access to some of the most engaged shopping audiences of all time at a very critical moment in their buying decision, and customers have this high degree of trust for that purchasing experience with Prime. For some of Coalition's merchants, they will do 25 to 30% of their annual revenue in the span of 2 to 3 weeks around certain holiday periods. And so you really have to nail your advertising strategy and your customer experience strategy at those times. You're spending significant investment to get customers to your store. You really want to have that confidence that they're going to check out, and Buy with Prime helps to deliver that. If you're a more established brand and you have a significant audience of your own and you're already selling through a lot of different channels, Buy with Prime creates an opportunity for you to have an additional touch point through a channel that perhaps your marketing has not yet been integrated into.